chosen seed will go on the empire, you know. Chosen even more to you today. You see, we have to preserve nature, you know. Always remember that in a chosen. Always remember to preserve nature, because no matter how you take it down, nature always have. You see me? No matter how you take it, nature is all we have chosen. Nature is all we have, so we have to preserve that. This is why I say this is why we have to plant our own food. Because if you notice, all of the food now they give the people them is poison. Even the natural food them from the earth, them is poison with all kind of GMO and all kind of illusion. Them even take the right time to grow. Because this is Babylon want to speed up everything. If something take 9 months to grow, them want to grow it in 4 months. If something take 6 months to grow, them want to do it in 3 weeks or 4 weeks. So all that good. That be sure you say them a tamper with nature. So you have to always remember chosen, say yo, preserve nature. Now for them bush you know you see in a wilderness, you know. Right now the matrix are try them ever best, you know, to destroy even them bush, you know. Don't feel like say the matrix don't have a plan for how them can destroy them bush. Them herbs and them medicine. Them a try it, but nature so powerful that just a shower of rain can spring up back them thing again. So we tell the chosen them say preserve them. How you gonna preserve them? Plant them in your yard. Plant them in your yard. All of the herbs them, all the bush them you need for ailments, for all sickness, all diseases. Take them, plant them and put them in your yard. Find space, put them in a pan. Put them in a bucket. Put them in a tire. You see what I say? Plant them, put them in the yard. You see me? Plant them and preserve nature, you see me? Preserve nature. If you put them in your yard, you know if you run down a bush, go walk down the woodland or go walk so. Go look for them in the right in your yard. So you have to give thanks. Preserve nature, you see me? Because the system. Alright, what do you mean I say now? Just imagine right now.